Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Neck, yeah. I mean, when you watch them on film, you're like, oh, okay. They're going well for them. They're playing well together.
Really?
Sounds fun, and also.
Shit! Please don't. Okay, Garmin. Same video. What are you doing? Across all lanes.
Bostick Street, then turn right onto Memorial Loop Drive.
Well, I got it on camera. I got it on camera. I got dashcam footage.
That was my thing, right?
Yeah, it was, I'm not sure entirely, but I have dashcam footage. Here, I'll pull over.
Why didn't we get a left turn light?
It does that, it's so annoying.
Bullshit, look at this shit. Oh my god.
Oh, we're gonna stay. You should have there. It's a second pressure.
Ford. They already have that Ford F-150 that's electric. So there's just a matter of putting it in there. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, he beat the red light.
We're going to win North Carolina, and so I've been like, it is Pennsylvania, Michigan, Wisconsin, Nebraska. That's your path. Part of it is like, she's overperforming with white voters. Like, she's doing well with white voters. I think there was maybe some concern. I know I had some concern demographically with Biden dropping out. Like, Biden was doing very well with older white people. That was who he was working for, and I was like,
Sao mình bị đông rồi? Không đúng không? Thằng không bị đâm rồi.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.